There's a lot of people out and in the evening just having their exercise. They've probably had their dinner and they'll come out for a cup of tea or coffee, sit down. I'll try and go over there tomorrow. I think that's the Hussein's Mosque minaret there, I think. What we're going to do is walk. There's a bridge over there which leads right across down there, and this is my hotel. Is just over there. It's about a mile and a half down there. There's my hotel that way. So it's a good hour and 10-minute walk really. Once I cross that bridge, that's going to take me a good 25 minutes for just the bridge walking. I can't feel my feet, tell you the truth. I'm going to have some bruises on my feet tomorrow. That's the local tram. I haven't even figured out how to get on there. I mean, I know how to get on there, but to pay for it. So that's another day. Just try and do that. Yeah, you need to spend a bit of time. You can't do it the first day you're here trying to do everything. But I'm limited time. I've only got 3 days here, so do as much as I can, and then say what I think of my little adventure in Morocco. And at the moment I'm getting good vibes. I'm understanding the culture just by their body language and how they react to you, and they've been absolutely wonderful to me. Very warming. I can't say nothing bad. As long as you respect their culture, they're okay with you. So I think it's the youngsters' holiday. They've got a week off. Oh, I don't know. Point Hassan II. So that mosque must be Hassan II mosque. I know it's a Hassan mosque there, but I didn't know it was second. So they call this station Hassan Point Hassan II. So it's like the DLR, I suppose, but much fancier. Oh, you pay here, look. That's how you get on there. I've just worked it out right. But I wouldn't know where to stop though. What stops there? And I mean, if these guides were reasonable and just came up like, I'll take you out for the day, we'll go here and there, and this is how much I charge, I'll be right up for that. If they're right, honest, and I think they are, but they need to, you know, that's what I'd do. I mean, there's loads of content here. There's loads of stuff that I don't know. A lot. And that's how they should. Give them like 20-30 quid for the whole day. Feed them. Water them, feed them, give them their food. I think that's well worth it. I mean, but it's the way they do it. I think it frightens a lot of the YouTubers. They're in, because they are a little bit in your face, you know, because they're probably a bit nervous from you, you know. But get used to it. But never go with your guns blazing, because they got bigger guns, because you're just a tourist and you're in their country, you're a guest. Don't forget that. I don't know if that's still under construction. I heard it's still under construction. Not sure if we can go see. I don't know what that building is there. It's quite tall, isn't it, really? I think it's the second highest building or not, I'm not sure. Anyway, that looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah. How beautiful is that? I think the restaurants should be a bit more, especially in the town centre. They need to be a little bit more modern. I think everywhere does pizzas and burgers. A bit fed up with that. I don't want to see that much. Yeah, obviously but nearly every shop is doing the same menu. Well, my feet are complaining now. Woohoo! On fire! Blisters probably tomorrow, but I don't think so. I don't feel like a blister coming up. I've had no issue with people. They've been lovely, really. Very welcoming. The lady at the hotel, she must think I'm mad. I left at crack of dawn waiting for the bank to open. So I had to wait for 2 hours outside. I couldn't be bothered to go back. I had to make myself busy. Obviously there was a bridge there once upon a time. I think they must have built a development over there and they knocked it down for some reason. I don't know what that is. Helen. Yeah, I need my e-bike. If I bought my e-bike here, oh, that would have been absolutely, my feet would be singing along. Here comes the tram. Look at this, I don't know what time it is, to tell you the truth. I've been out since 7 o'clock this morning. It was still pitch black this morning when I left. Tram. Looks like a sports centre. Yeah, it looks like a skateboard park and a swimming pool or 2 swimming pools. Some sort of leisure centre. But I don't see anybody there. Here comes another tram. Got the moon right up in the sky. Lovely tram. I think we should have trams like this going down the street, save on all that traffic early in the morning. Can you imagine that down the highway going towards Tower Bridge? They should do it at Cable Street. Close off Cable Street, which runs parallel to the highway towards Tower Bridge, and go straight over towards River Lower Thames. Turn right into East Cheap, straight down Cannon Street, straight down Fleet Street, or by St Paul's and Fleet Street, straight down the Strand, straight down towards Trafalgar Square. There you go, bang, all done. Look like, I think they've got the overnight station over there. Right, we've made it. We've walked, crikey, all the way from down there. I know you can't see much there because of the sun glare. All the way down there, all the way down there. And we've, you know, we've walked from, literally from where all the posh part of the city is. We walked all the way down. Wanted to get a cab, but he kept saying, just walk down, it's only down the road. Really? I think he was praying. I had to wait for him to finish his prayer. He got the old mat out and he was praying on the corner of the traffic lights. Bless him. Then I asked him, I think he must have finished. He didn't want to go down there. It's one of those blue taxis. I think you share the taxi. And like when you go down the road, people jump in with you. Oh. I don't know why they don't do it like in Thailand. They've got these pickup trucks. The back of the pickup truck is open and just go straight, because they've got straight roads. And then all you do is just go in a circle and pick up people and charge them. I'm full of ideas, really. Hopefully be a millionaire soon. That's what Trotter said. Well, he is now, isn't he? So they are absolutely football crazy. They love football. Absolutely love football. They breathe football. You see them when they're watching the matches. Even when we were at the airline, at the airport, they all had their phones open watching the football yesterday. That was just that was at Stansted Airport. They were jumped on the same plane as us, like towards Morocco, and they must have been Moroccan. They were. They did look like Moroccans. What's going on here? We're fighting. I think their favourite football, Mo Salah, is hurt. He's injured. I think he wasn't playing. must have been a naughty boy. Looks like he ran away with someone's bag or something. Yeah, must have got in a fight or something like that. They were chasing this boy. He had a bag on him. He must have been supporting Manchester United or something. I don't know what that is really. On the left, empty car park. Maybe it's a government thing, I'm not sure. I know it's a marina and stuff on the left here, but it's empty. So, yeah. So what do you think, guys? I'm really impressed with the weather as well. I'm just loving it here. After a little go a little vlog in the morning, because I'm flying tomorrow, late evening, 10 o'clock I think. So I'm going to come back, vlog, have a shower, and then just chill out for the evening, and then make my way to the airport. So I've got to be 3 hours before, so I've got to be there at 7 p.m. in the morning. Sorry, in the evening, sorry, beg your pardon. Yeah. So hopefully we'll see you there. And we've made it, so all I need to do... Oh, he's brought the old Bill with him, the old boy there, behind there. They must have beat him up because he was on Manchester United or something like that. Marhaba.
Hello.
أهلا وسهلا.
In real life.
YouTube طبعا. ASB London. Oh, must be. Yeah. Now, so I have to go through there. I'm not going to video now because it starts getting into the alleyways and it's evening, and there's a lot of families here, and I think they won't like it. So I'll catch you tomorrow, guys.